Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota RAV4 XA50 is the fifth generation of Toyota's popular compact crossover SUV, introduced in 2019. It's known for its blend of practicality, reliability, and increasingly, its hybrid powertrain options. Model description. The XA50 RAV4 features a more rugged and aggressive design compared to its predecessors, drawing inspiration from Toyota's trucks and SUVs. It's built on Toyota's TNGA platform, which contributes to improved handling, a lower center of gravity, and a more comfortable ride. Key characteristics: design, bold, angular lines, prominent grille, and a more assertive stance. Interior, spacious and comfortable cabin with good quality materials, modern infotainment systems, with improvements in later model years, and ample cargo space. It offers a flat floor in the rear, enhancing passenger comfort and cargo versatility. Technology, equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense, TSS, as standard, which includes a suite of advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Later models, from 2023 onwards, received updated infotainment with larger, higher-resolution screens, wireless Apple CarPlay, and over-the-air OTA updates. Powertrains primarily focuses on efficient gasoline and hybrid options, including a powerful plug-in hybrid PHEV variant. Faults and breakdowns. While the RAV4 generally enjoys a strong reputation for reliability, some issues have been reported for the XA50 generation. High-voltage cable corrosion, hybrid/prime, 2019 to 2022. This is a significant issue on some hybrid and RAV4 prime models, where the cable from the battery to the rear electric motor can corrode prematurely due to inadequate protection. Toyota has extended the warranty for this component, 8 years per 160,000 kilometers. Porous engine block, 2.5 engine, 2019 to 2020, a small number of 2.5-liter engine blocks in 2019 and 2020 models have been found to be porous, potentially leading to coolant leaks, overheating, or internal engine damage. A recall was issued, and some engines were replaced. 12V battery drain. 2019 to 2021, some early models experienced a 12V battery drain due to telematics, DCM, firmware issues, which could keep the car awake and discharge the battery. This was addressed with a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB. Fuel pump recall. 2019 to 2020, a low-pressure fuel pump could fail, leading to engine rough idling or stalling. Toyota initiated a recall for free replacement. ECVT drone. The continuously variable transmission, ECVT, in hybrid models can produce a drone noise, especially under hard acceleration or steep climbs, as the engine revs up to provide power. This is characteristic of ECVT operation and necessarily a fault, but can be perceived as a disadvantage. Pre-2023 infotainment. Early infotainment systems, 8-inch unit, were sometimes criticized for being laggy, low resolution, and lacking wireless Apple CarPlay. This was improved in later model years. Brake wear. As a relatively heavy SUV, brake pads may wear out faster, 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers, and discs might need replacement around 70,000 kilometers. Disadvantages. Road and wind noise. Some owners report higher road and wind noise at highway speeds compared to some rivals. ECVT characteristics. While efficient, the ECVT can lead to a rubber band effect with the engine droning under hard acceleration, which some drivers find unrefined. Size in tight cities. At 4.6 meters long and 1.85 meters wide, it can be a bit bulky for very narrow city streets or tight parking spaces. Initial cost of hybrids/PHEVs. The hybrid, and especially the plug-in hybrid variants, have a higher upfront cost than the pure gasoline model. Advantages. Exceptional fuel efficiency, especially hybrids. The hybrid models deliver impressive fuel economy, particularly in urban driving, often 4.4 to 5.5 L/100 km in the city, rivaling many smaller cars. The plug-in hybrid, RAV4 Prime/PHEV offers a significant electric-only range, up to 75 kilometers WLTP, allowing for zero-emission daily commutes if charged regularly. Toyota reliability. Despite some specific issues, the RAV4 maintains Toyota's reputation for long-term durability and reliability, generally offering more peace of mind than many competitors. Spacious and practical interior. Generous passenger space, a wide rear bench, and a large, flat-floored boot, 580 liters for hybrid, 520 liters for PHEV, make it very practical for families and cargo. Standard safety features. Toyota's Safety Sense, TSS 2.0 and later 3.0, is standard, providing a comprehensive suite of active safety and driver assistance systems. All-wheel drive capability. AWDI, the Intelligent All-Wheel Drive System, AWDI, uses an electric motor on the rear axle, providing instant torque on slippery surfaces without the weight and complexity of a traditional prop shaft. Trail mode enhances off-road capability by braking free-spinning wheels and directing torque to grounded ones. Strong resale value. Toyota RAV4s, particularly hybrids, tend to hold their value very well. Transparent servicing costs and extended warranty. Toyota often offers clear pricing for servicing and programs like Relax Plus warranty, which can extend coverage up to 15 years or 250,000 kilometers with annual checks. Fuel consumption. Real world. Real-world fuel consumption for the RAV4 XA50 varies significantly by powertrain and driving conditions. Hybrid 2.5 FHEV. Combined, official WLTP figures are around 5.7 to 5.8 L/100 km. City, owners often report excellent figures of 4.4 to 5.5 L/100 km. Highway. On the highway, consumption typically rises to around 7 to 8 L/100 km, especially at higher speeds, 110 km/h+. Plug-in hybrid, RAV4 Prime/PHEV, can achieve significant electric-only range, around 75 kilometers WLTP, meaning many daily commutes can be done without using gasoline. Once the battery is depleted, it functions as a highly efficient hybrid, with gasoline consumption similar to the regular hybrid. Gasoline 2.5, generally less efficient than the hybrids. Real-world combined figures often range from 7.5 to 9 L/100 km, depending on driving style and conditions. Engines. The primary engine options for the XA50 RAV4 are: on the European market, the fifth-generation Toyota RAV4 is also available with 2.0 dynamic force engine marked with the symbol M20A. FKS produces around 169 to 173 HP. Next, more popular engines. 2.5 dynamic force four-cylinder gasoline engine. Produces around 203 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Available with FWD or AWD. Offers solid performance for a compact SUV. 2.5 hybrid, full hybrid EV gas, FHEV. Combines the 2.5 gasoline engine with electric motors. Total system output is typically 218 horsepower, FWD, or 222 horsepower, AWDI. Uses an ECVT transmission. Focuses on fuel efficiency and smooth power delivery, especially in urban environments. 2.5 plug-in hybrid, RAV4 Prime/PHEV. A more powerful version of the hybrid system. Total system output of around 306 horsepower. Offers significant electric-only range before the gasoline engine kicks in. The quickest and most powerful RAV4 variant. Dimensions. Length, approximately 460 centimeters, 15 feet 1.1 inches. Width, approximately 185 centimeters, 6 feet 1 inch. Height, approximately 166 centimeters, 5 feet 5.4 inches. Wheelbase, approximately 269 centimeters, 8 feet 9.9 inches. Curb weight, starting from around 1,533 kilograms, 3,380 pounds for gasoline models, higher for hybrids. Cargo volume, boot around 580 liters, hybrid, 520 liters, PHEV. Servicing. Schedule. Toyota recommends maintenance every 6 months or 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. This includes tire rotation and inspections of fluids, brakes, and wipers. Oil changes. With synthetic oil, recommended C0W20 or 5W20, oil changes are typically every 12 months or 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometers. Major intervals. Every 15,000 miles, 24,000 kilometers. Inspection of propeller shaft bolts, 4WD, rear differential oil, and transfer case oil. Every 30,000 miles, 48,000 kilometers. Replace cabin air filter and engine air filter. Inspect fuel system, transmission cooler hoses, and brake lines. Every 60,000 miles, 96,000 kilometers. Inspect drive belts. Every 100,000 miles, 160,000 kilometers. Replace engine coolant. Every 120,000 miles, 192,000 kilometers. Replace spark plugs. Costs. Servicing costs are generally considered reasonable, with basic services ranging from 250 to 350 euros for 15,000 kilometers intervals in some European markets. Car history. The Toyota RAV4 recreational activity vehicle, 4-wheel drive, pioneered the compact SUV segment when it was first introduced in Japan and Europe in 1994 and North America in 1995. First generation, XA10, 1994 to 2000, originally offered as a small 3-door or 5-door, known for its car-like handling. Second generation, XA20, 2000 to 2005, grew slightly in size, becoming more mainstream. Third generation, XA30, 2005 to 2012, saw further growth, with short and long wheelbase versions offered in some markets. Introduced a more car-like platform. Fourth generation, XA40, 2012 to 2018, continued to evolve into a larger, more family-oriented SUV, with hybrid options introduced later in its life cycle. Fifth generation, XA50, 2019 present, marked a significant departure in design, adopting a more rugged and adventurous look. It strongly emphasizes hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, aligning with Toyota's electrification strategy. The RAV4 has consistently been one of the best-selling SUVs globally, known for its reliability and practicality. Which engine to choose? The best engine depends heavily on your priorities. For maximum fuel efficiency and lower running costs, especially in urban driving, the 2.5 hybrid. This is the most popular choice and offers an excellent balance of power and economy. It's particularly well suited for city driving, where its regenerative braking can maximize EV mode usage. For ultimate fuel efficiency, electric-only commuting, and strong performance, the 2.5 plug-in hybrid, RAV4 Prime/PHEV. If you have access to charging at home or work, this option allows for significant electric-only driving, drastically reducing gasoline consumption for daily commutes. It also provides the most horsepower and quickest acceleration. The higher initial cost is offset by substantial fuel savings over time. For a lower initial purchase price and traditional driving feel, the 2.5 gasoline engine. If your budget is tighter, or you do a lot of highway driving where the hybrid's urban advantage is less pronounced, the gasoline model offers a capable and reliable powertrain. However, it will consume more fuel overall. General recommendation. For most buyers, the 2.5 hybrid offers the best balance of efficiency, performance, and overall value in the XA50 RAV4 range. If charging infrastructure is readily available and budget allows, the plug-in hybrid is an even more compelling option for its extended electric range and increased power. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.